In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write documents using Miro AI. Miro is a fantastic online collaborative whiteboard platform, and lately they have rolled out some neat AI features to make our work more efficient and creative. So stay with me as we dive into the process step by step. To begin, you first want to open your Miro board. This is your workspace, the canvas where all your ideas come to life. If you haven't got it open already, simply navigate to the Miro website and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll see your boards listed, and you can click to open the one you're planning to work with today. Okay, now that you have your Miro board open, glance over to the left side of your screen. This is where Miro houses most of its tools, and it's quite user-friendly. You'll notice an icon labeled Sidekick for AI. This is Miro's AI feature, ready to assist you in drafting, organizing, and refining your documents. Go ahead and click on Sidekick for AI. This tool is designed to streamline your writing process. Whether you're crafting a straightforward text document or need assistance generating some creative ideas, it's incredibly intuitive and helpful. Clicking on it will open up a panel where you can start typing your document. Now, it's time to create. In the space provided by the Sidekick, type the document you wish to create. You can be as detailed as you like or just jot down key points. The AI assists by offering suggestions or completing sentences, which can be a huge time saver. Once you've drafted your document with the help of Miro AI, you'll want to spend some time refining it. After all, a document is seldom perfect in its first iteration. Edit it according to your needs. This could mean rephrasing certain parts, adding additional insights, or even incorporating charts or diagrams if that suits your document style. Don't hesitate to add notes for yourself or collaborators. This is especially useful in a team setting where clear communication is key. Throughout this process, remember that Miro is a collaborative tool. You can share your board with colleagues who can contribute and provide feedback instantly. This turns the document from a static piece of text into a living, breathing project, benefiting from diverse inputs and evolving as you receive new ideas. By using Miro AI for writing your documents, you're embracing a modern approach that combines creativity with efficiency. Miro AI acts not just as another tool, but as a co-creator, helping you craft documents that are as dynamic and thought-provoking as the visual boards we all love. So that's it. You've walked through the process of writing documents with Miro AI. Give it a try and see how it transforms your workflow. Thank you for watching and happy creating.